Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Theorem number 8.1. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is a theorem statement. So here ABC is a triangle. A, B, C. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so it may be any one side, that may be BC, that may be AB, that may be AC. So here I am drawing a line that is parallel to BC. So that line intersecting other two sides at D and E, and we have to show that it divides in the same ratio. So if you draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle, that is DE is parallel to BC, we drawn. So we have to show that AD by DB will be same as AE by EC. This we have to prove. So what he is saying that according to the theorem statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle touching the other two sides at two distinct points D and E, so it divides the other two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by DB will be same as AE by EC. This we have to prove. So what is given? Given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So ABC is a triangle in which DE is parallel to BC, which intersect sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. So DE is parallel to BC and this parallel line is intersecting the sides AB at D and the another side AC at E, and required to be proved. What we have to prove? We have to prove that this line DE divides two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This we have to prove. For that, construction: join B comma E and C comma D. So we have to join B to E here. At the same time, we have to join C to D also. Okay, we joined that C to D and B to E, we joined here, and draw one perpendicular DM perpendicular to AC. Draw one perpendicular, that is 90 degree here, perpendicular to the side AC. We drawn one perpendicular to side AC, DM that is. Draw one more perpendicular EN perpendicular to the side AB. So this is a construction. Now proof. In triangle ADE, AD is the base, EN is the height. Now area of a triangle ADE is nothing but half base into height. Half base is nothing but AD, height is nothing but EN. Just we will see the diagram. ADE is a triangle. ADE is a triangle in which AD is the base. This is the base and this will become the height. If you see like this triangle, in ADE triangle, so AD is the base, EN is the height. Area of a triangle is nothing but half base into height. Half base is nothing but AD is the base, height is nothing but EN. That is only we written here. So area of a triangle ADE is nothing but half base into height. Half base is nothing but AD and height is nothing but EN. So this is equation number 1. Next, in triangle BDE, BD is the base and EN is the height. EN is nothing but the perpendicular drawn to the side AB. Perpendicular is always same. Perpendicular distance is the shortest distance. So that's why it will become the height. EN is the height. So in triangle BDE, this is the triangle here, BDE. So base is BD or DB. BD or DB, both are same. And here height is nothing but EN. So in triangle BDE, DB is the base, EN is the height. So area of a triangle is nothing but half base into height, half DB into EN. So in triangle BDE, DB is the base, EN is the height. Area of a triangle BDE is equal to half base into height. Half base is nothing but DB, height is nothing but EN. So this is equation number 2. Now in next step we will divide equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is nothing but area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE. That is nothing but 1 by 2 into AD into EN by 1 by 2 into DB into EN. So the next step, area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE is equal to 1 by 2 going to cancel, EN going to cancel, remaining is AD by DB. This is equation number 3. Similarly, in triangle ADE, from the another side, so in triangle ADE, we are seeing this is the base now. So that is AE is the base. Now height will become DM is the height for this triangle. So we will calculate the same area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is nothing but half base into height. Here the base is AE, height is DM. So similarly in triangle ADE, AE is the base, DM is the height. Area of that is ADE triangle. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half base into height. 1 by 2 into base is nothing but AE, height is nothing but DM. So this is the base, this is the height. So this is equation number 4. In triangle CDE, EC is the base, DM is the height. Just we will see the diagram once. So CDE is a triangle in which EC is the base, this is the base, and DM, here DM is the perpendicular be drawn to side AC. Here also same distance will be there, perpendicular remains the same. So DM is the height for the triangle CDE. So therefore area of a triangle CDE is nothing but half base into, base is EC into height is DM. So in triangle CDE, EC is the base, DM is the height. Area of triangle CDE is equal to half base into height. Half EC is the base, DM is the height. Let it be equation number 5. Now divide equation number 4 with equation number 5. Equation number 4 is nothing but area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle CDE. So we know that area of a triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 into AE into DM. So that is 1 by 2 into AE into DM by area of a triangle CDE, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into EC into DM. So in the next step 1 by 2 cancel, DM cancel, remaining is area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equal to AE by EC. Let it be equation number 6. So let it be equation number 6, that is area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle CDE is equal to AE by EC. Equation number 6. So here observe that triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base as DE and between two parallels BC and DE. So area of a triangle BDE is equal to area of a triangle CDE. So here we are observing that triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base. DE is the base for both the triangles. So this is the base for both the triangles, and also these two triangles are in between two parallel lines. One is a triangle D, this is a DE, and BC are two parallels. So these two triangles are in between two parallel lines. Therefore their areas are equal. So that is area of a triangle BDE will be same as area of a triangle CDE. So now you take equation number 3. So that is area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE is equal to AD by DB. We will see equation number 3 once. So this is equation number 3. Area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle BDE is equal to AD by DB. I am taking this equation. So from this equation number 3, I will find the area of a triangle BDE. So in the next step, you do cross multiplication. So that is AD into area of a triangle BDE is equal to DB into area of a triangle ADE. We are doing cross multiplication. So AD is coming here. AD into area of a triangle BDE is equal to, so DB into area of a triangle ADE. So finally area of a triangle BDE is nothing but, if you send this AD to right side, it is in multiplication, it will goes to division. So that is DB by AD into area of a triangle ADE. Let it be equation number 7. So now we take equation number 6. So that is area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle CDE is equal to AE by EC. From this I will find area of a triangle CDE. Just we will see equation number 6. So this is equation number 6. Area of a triangle ADE by area of a triangle CDE is equal to AE by EC. I am taking this equation. From this I will find the area of a triangle CDE. So here we are doing cross multiplication. So you will get it AE into area of a triangle CDE is equal to EC into area of a triangle ADE. So AE is in multiplication, it will goes to division. Therefore area of a triangle CDE is equal to EC by AE into area of a triangle ADE. This is equation number 8. So here equating equation number 7 and 8. So after observing that BDE and CDE are on the same base, DE and BD between two parallel lines BC and DE, we conclude that area of a triangle BDE is same as area of a triangle CDE, that both the areas are equal. So we calculated area of a BDE here, and here area of a CDE, triangle CDE. So now we will equate both, that is equation 7 and equation 8. So equation 7 is area of a triangle BDE is equal to DB by AD into area of a triangle ADE. This is area of a triangle BDE. So I am equating area of a triangle BDE is equal to area of a triangle CDE. So area of a triangle BDE is nothing but DB by AD into area of a triangle ADE. DB by AD into area of a triangle ADE, that is equal to area of a triangle CDE. Area of a triangle CDE is nothing but EC by AE into area of a triangle ADE. EC by AE into area of a triangle ADE. Both sides area of a triangle ADE, area of a triangle ADE going to cancel. Remaining is DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Now we take the reciprocals of both. So that is write denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. So that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now we take reciprocals on both the sides. So that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. This is a required equation is needed for us. Hence proved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Or otherwise you can see here I did cross multiplication here, or So dB by AD is equal to EE by EC by AE. So now we do cross multiplication. So what you will get it, AE into dB is equal to EC into AD. So in the next step, AC is coming this side, AE by EC is equal to dB is going that side, AD by dB. So that is AD by dB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Just I will explain here. ABC is a triangle in which if you draw a line parallel to any one side of a triangle, name that is DE is a line which is parallel to BC, and we have to show that this line DE divides other two sides, that is AB and AC, in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So that is only we proved here. So here just simple steps. First you calculate area of a triangle ADE with base AD. Next you calculate area of a triangle BDE with the same height. Both height are EN. Here also height will be EN. Divide these two areas, and in the next step find area of a triangle ADE with base AE with the height DM. And similarly you calculate area of a triangle CDE with base EC and height DM. Divide both these areas. So finally we will conclude that here triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base and in between two parallel lines, therefore these two areas are equal, and we will calculate these two areas and we will equate, we will get the final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.